So I am back. Sorry that video did cut off very abruptly. Well, not abruptly, but knew that it was going to do that. So anyway, I did go to Dollar Tree and I did go to Walmart. Oh man, there was so many people in Walmart. I mean, it was packed. I guess I've never went that late on a Sunday. I mean, it's not late, but once afternoon comes, I don't know. But anyway, let me show you what I got. I got these cuties, more mandarin oranges. I've been blending these and, you know, and with different fruits or whatever and or vegetables, and they've been very good, but they're cheaper. You know how sometimes these cuties can be $6 and $8 or whatever, so these are just about $3 or $4, something like that. Got some more bananas, just a few, maybe about 2, 4, 6. So 6 bananas. Got some more. I know I don't need any more seeds. I do not need any more seeds. I'm getting ready to start calling the garden seed anonymous because I need to check in. This is the fault of Janita So Loving It. She's the one that got all of this started. Then New Orleans Gardener and all of the other ones that I'm following. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm not buying any more. The only thing I do want are the Noculus. What is it called? It's Noculus. I think it's the Noculus. It's the Persian Noculus, the ones that Miss Linda over at New Orleans Gardener showed us recently. I want some of those, so I might get them from Seeds Now. I did look at Dollar Tree, one Dollar Tree, but I didn't see them there. I didn't see them at Walmart, but I'm going to look to see where I can get some of those from, because that is what I really want. So just got that, just some red velvet lettuce, for seasoned lettuce, and something for somebody else. I got some soap. I got a 3-pack of Castile soap, Kirk's Castile. Then I just got this for the family. These worth 98 cents. I saw a lady grab these up from the top, and I said, huh. And I looked up, and it was this one, and they had a tropical scent as well. Then they have this ivory, was $1.48, 47 cents, and they had this in the regular scent and this aloe. Both of them smelled nice, and they were calling it original scent. Ivory never had that kind of scent that I smelled. It was really nice though. It was pretty, but I'm trying to figure out what's my soap again. We've always used Dove, apart from the different body washes. As far as a bar soap, we like use a different type of Castile or Dove, but I'm trying to, you know, find myself again. Anyway, so I got some wipes, and then I got some garden coir, because I'm getting ready to start redoing doing my seed starting. And then this has always been the Rustic Gardener. He and others recommend this Jiffy natural and organic seed starting mix. So I got this. I think I'm just going to mix it with that coir, because this coir also holds, look, it says 150% of its weight in water. So you don't have to always, I water a lot, almost daily. I know some of it is because I have holes in my 2 of those egg cartons, but still, that's a lot of watering, and I don't like that, because if I don't water it right away, the plants wilt, and I don't like them wilting and, you know, getting like that. That's terrible for them. Then this is from actually from Dollar Tree. This is some that all-purpose pot and soil. I'm not sure if it's the same one I bought last time, but these were 50 cents. So I got 3 bags of these. So I said this is 8 pounds. Yeah, they say it's 8. Yeah, so it's 8 pounds. So I bought 3 of these. So at 50 cents, that's pretty good. $1.50 for those that weight. And then I got stuff for my tea parties. Got this little cutie for my tea party. This for my cute tea party. Oh, pretty. And then I got, oh, you guys, I love plaid. And I got these also for my tea parties, because you guys are invited. Then, last but not least, the Girl Scouts were doing their things out there. So I called the family and asked them what they would like, and this is what they said, bring back, because I don't eat these anymore. So I think that's all that I got. So, I got some other things, but I can't show you on camera. But anyway, these are the things I got. So I thank you so much for riding along with me, driving along with me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like it, subscribe to this channel, and share and comment. All right, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.